Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the Fitbit function on the Flow application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the Today button down below and then click on the profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Then you should scroll down and tap on the settings button. Then you should click on the third option, enable Fitbit. Here you can see why you should connect Fitbit, because it helps you to keep track of your sleep, weight and other parameters affecting your cycle. Your period predictions will be more accurate and your ovulation predictions will be more accurate too. So tap on this button at the top and then you will be directed to the fitbit.com. You should wait a few seconds till it loads in. But after that you should sign up to the Fitbit, adding your email address and password. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.